Alright, time again for another episode of shooting stuff with the 455 VTC at 70 yards. This time I'm going to try to up the ante and go from sugar cubes down to spent 22 casings at 70 yards. Haven't tried it yet, so I have no idea what my luck will be. I just glued them down to the golf tees and we'll see if I can get a few on target. There's a hit. There's another hit. Wow. There's a hit. There's a hit. Try and clean up on that last one. Oh, empty. That's never any good. Definitely much tougher. I think I got the golf tee. That'll still count because it's just about the same width. Alright, so there you have it. This gun's capable of that type of accuracy at 70 yards. We'll see you next time in the squirrel woods.